How to limit the costs of air conditioner repair. Repairing an air conditioning unit can be very costly. Your expenses for air conditioner repair may even become worse if you are the type who keeps unwittingly neglecting the things you are dependent on at home or at the office. To avoid astronomical costs in terms of air conditioner repair, you have to practice a few things that can help your AC unit last without problems for a long period. Frown at air conditioner repair services, smile at air conditioning maintenance. Being a penny pincher regarding AC maintenance and AC repair wouldn't limit your costs on these inevitable expenses in the future. Therefore, it is a lot better to spend on air conditioning maintenance on a regular basis, since it is cheaper and it is the expense that prevents you from experiencing more discomfort, like enduring a hot summer afternoon with a broken AC unit under repair. Avoid needing air conditioner repair by practicing tidiness and discipline. If a refrigerator needs constant cleaning in order for it to be efficient in keeping all those goods, the air conditioning unit requires the same thing. You don't always have to call a professional cleaner to do the job. Simply open your AC at least once a month to check that wires are not damaged, the evaporating coils are clean, there aren't any molds growing a mold garden in its interior, and that there are no traces of leaking or frosting. A quick swipe of a wet cloth is sometimes enough to keep that AC clean and in perfect working condition. Air conditioner repair can be avoided by rest. AC units are as susceptible to exhaustion and overwork as humans, so make it a point to shut down the AC unit for a few hours every day. A common reason why an air conditioner repair service is required is when an AC unit overheats or an AC component gives out due to overuse. Let the AC rest at every possible moment and use it only when it is necessary. In truth, air conditioner repair costs can be limited if only people are more diligent in taking care of their AC units. Being described as durable and efficient by their manufacturers does not make them invincible. All things wear out, and there is no reason to think that air conditioning units are an exception. A little understanding and care for your AC unit will surely go a long way with little need for repair in its lifetime. For any air conditioner repair in Atlanta, contact Central Heating and Air Conditioning, and they will surely take care of the job at a price you can afford. Call them today at 678-831-2530 to learn how they can be of help to you. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Harry_saw/1238150